Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno12 FS and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find notifications and status bar. Here we have to tap on status bar, and as you can see the battery percentage is right here. Let's tap on it. The way of displaying the battery percentage depends on the battery style, so be aware that not only that in some options which you've got here, so the horizontal, vertical loop or do not show, you will not be able to show the battery percentage in specific configurations, but I highly recommend to experiment in this section to find the best way and the best option for you. So the battery percentage in this horizontal option is inside the battery icon, which I've got currently applied outside the battery icon, or do not show it at all. It's up to you. Simply tap on the option and it will be applied. As you can see, if I will choose loop, then I cannot really choose any other battery percentage, only next to the battery icon. So this is what I was talking about. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.